Hey guys, it's Robert with Rome Functional Fitness and Food. Today we're doing our Monday Minute of Movement. Oh yeah, that's a lot of M's. So we're going to be concentrating today mainly on the bird dog movement. That's going to be working on your core, shoulder stability, shoulder mobility, your hips, particularly your glute medius, and your rotary stability. The very first movement that we're going to be doing, nice and simple, it's a bird dog reach. All you got to do, get into your quadruped position. Now, I like to have people get into a natural beast position where you tuck your toes, you bring your elbows and knees together, place those hands down, then you push straight up into the air. This is your ideal position. All we're going to be doing is moving opposite hand and opposite leg. You're going to reach out, point that heel, reach in. Reach out, reach forward, point that heel, reach in. This is a pretty fantastic movement to get everything activated and firing. Now we're going to switch sides. Reach out, point that heel, reach out, point that heel. One more time before we switch. Reach out, point that heel. Now we're going to be doing something called a bird dog wide reach, where we're going to also go opposite hand, opposite leg. So I'm going to reach out, and it's a little bit different than the regular reach. I'm reaching out and moving my arm at a 45-degree angle away from the body. 45-degree angle away from the body. Oh yeah. Remember, we have to switch sides. 45-degree angle away from the body. Point that heel. 45-degree angle. One more time. 45-degree angle. So now we're going to move up toward the wall. We're doing a wall push. This is going to cause some internal bracing for us, which is really good. So now, you're still in your beast position, toes are tucked. You're going to reach your hand up onto the wall. You're going to press into that wall, reach that opposite leg back, and hold it. Press, 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 press. Bring it back down. Rest just a little bit. We're going again. Here we go. Bring that hand up. Push into that wall. Push, push, push. There we go. Push, 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 push. Squeeze that glute. Gonna go one more time. Opposite hand into the wall. Push, push, push. Reach that leg out. Squeeze that glute as you're pushing. Oh yeah. Now you get to switch sides. Here we go. Again, you're going to bring that arm into the wall. Press into the wall. Bring that opposite leg out. Push, 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 push. You should feel your glutes contracting like they've never contracted before. Second time, into the wall. Push. Stabilize that shoulder. Pick that leg up, squeeze that glute, point that heel. One more time before we get to switch. Into the wall, push, lock everything in place. Press, press, press. Fantastic. Squeeze that glute. Boom. So now we're going to walk back. We're going to do something called a bird dog crunch. These are good for abdominal compression and rotary stability. So again, knee, elbow, your ideal position. Press up in the air. You're going to go opposite hand, opposite leg. Reach out. Bring your elbow and knee together. Pull them together. Reach out. Pull together. Reach out. Pull together. Switching sides, oh yeah. Opposite hand, opposite leg, reach out. Pull together. Reach out. Pull together. Reach out. Pulling them together. These are pretty fantastic. Now we're going to get a tool involved. Nice simple dumbbell. We're going to do a bird dog row. You're in position again. We're going opposite hand, opposite leg. So as this hand rows, your opposite leg is going to go out. One of the things I want you to concentrate on when you row, pull that elbow back, pull that shoulder back, okay? Pull and down, pull and down. One more time, pull and down. So now we're going to switch sides, do that same thing. Opposite hand, opposite leg, pull and down. Here we go. Pull and down. One more time. Pull and down. Pretty fantastic. Now we're going to do something called a reverse fly. You can bring that weight back. So this is similar to the Y reach, but your arms are going straight out to the side. And you're also using that weight. So we're going opposite hand, opposite leg again. This arm just goes out to the side and back. Out to the side, back. Again, you do not need to use that much weight for this, okay? Switching sides. Same movement, opposite hand, opposite leg. Out to the side, back, out to that side, back, one more time, oh yeah. Out to the side, point that toe, back. That is very, very good for, again, rotator stability, shoulder strength, glute strength. Now the last movement, I love this move, it's a bird dog half circle. So, I'm actually going to turn this here 3/4 of a view just so you can kind of see a little bit more what's going on. So I'm turning, here's the mat. So this is a complex movement, okay? So all we're doing, we're going opposite hand, opposite leg, and your leg and arm are going to counterbalance you to kind of help you from not tipping over. So we're going to reach out, opposite hand, opposite leg, bring that arm and leg out. Pull it back in. Reach out. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Pull in. Again. Reach out. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Remember to switch sides. Here we go. Reach that arm out. Rotate them out to the side. Pull them in. Down. Reach that leg out. Rotate to the sides. Pull them in. Down, let's go one more time just so you have that movement pattern. Reach out, rotate to the side, pull in, and down. So that concludes our Monday minute of movement. Just so you know, I only did 3 repetitions on each side of all of our moves, okay? Ideally, we're going to want you to do 3 sets, 10 repetitions of every movement, and that will be fantastic. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon.